In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and draw on an image in Google Docs. So let's dive right in and explore how to effortlessly enhance your documents with this nifty feature. First things first, ensure you've got Google Docs open and ready to go. If your document is already open, you're right where you need to be. Navigate your way to the top portion of your Google Docs window where you'll find various menu options. Locate and click on the Insert tab. This is going to be your friend today. Doing so will reveal a drop-down menu with more options. Move your cursor over to Drawing and click on it, then select New from the subsequent options. This step is crucial as it will bring up your drawing board, the space where all the magic happens. Once your drawing board is up, you'll notice a row of icons at the top. The one we're interested in is the square image icon tucked away at the end on the right. This icon is your gateway to importing images into your document. Go ahead and click it. You'll then see several options for bringing an image into Google Docs. Whether you're uploading an image directly from your computer, snapping a quick photo with your webcam, pasting a URL, selecting from your existing Google Photos, grabbing a file from your Google Drive, or searching Google Images, you've got choices. For the purpose of this video, I'll focus on uploading an image directly from my computer. Click on Upload, then select Browse. This action will open a dialog box that lets you navigate through your computer's files and folders. Take your time to find that perfect image you wish to insert. Once you've selected your desired image, go ahead and click Open. This action uploads your image directly to the drawing board. With your image now placed on the drawing board, you might want to personalize it a bit more. You have the option to add various shapes and elements from the toolbar. Whether you're looking to highlight specific points, draw attention with arrows, or simply add a fun touch with shapes, the drawing board provides all these creative tools. Once you've adorned your image with all the artistic flourishes you desire, it's time to finalize your work. Do a quick review, and when you're satisfied, simply click Save and Close, located at the top right corner of the drawing board. This action seamlessly inserts your customized image back into your Google Doc. And there you have it, a perfectly customized image in your document. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful videos.